especially coming from like outside, like right in front of the building. But I don't know. I looked out the window. I really didn't see anything, but I kept hearing like some strange noises. I thought it was my cat. I was hearing like banging, rattling noise. How about you guys?
Same.
You heard it too? Where?
In the basement.
In the basement. But you were sleeping? This was at nighttime?
Yep. Was it that dog that you threw out?
No, because like the dog that I threw out, I threw it specifically in the garbage this morning, and the garbage went out. I'm really hoping that weird supernatural type of things going on in the household, especially in the basement. I really hope that something is not really taking place.
I heard rattling noises in the kitchen.
What?
Gavin, that would make that rattling sound. I heard that. I heard like our bowls, mom's pots when she cooks with banging together.
That's crazy.
Knocking.
I'm going to go double check downstairs in the basement because I'm telling you, there's something down there and I don't know what it is, but it's something really strange. I gotta get to the bottom of that.